Welcome everybody to a short Autodesk Inventor tutorial. This is a tutorial that's centered around the creation of your sketches for a CO2 dragster. So to start with, we've got Autodesk open here, Inventor, and we're going to open a new part. Just before you do so, make sure you're in millimeters by selecting that gear. So I've now selected the part icon and I've created a new part. The first thing I'm going to do is create the blank billet of pine that we create our dragsters out of. Now to do this, I've selected the Start New Sketch button, then I'm selecting the YZ plane. From here, I'm going to use the line tool to create some geometry, and I'm simply going to go up, typing in 70, and then clicking enter, making sure that when I did that, my mouse was pointing directly up and I had 0 degrees on. Then I'm going to very roughly, zooming out with the mouse wheel here, just select down in the distance here, then making sure I'm selecting a vertical straight down line. It kind of snaps to that vertical, and that the end point of my line is on the horizontal line here. They both kind of snap, and then going to close off this shape here, which if you have started your dragsters looks familiarly like a billet shape. I'm just going to specify some dimensions here, such as the end being 20 and the length of this being 300. Okay, finishing the sketch now. So once I've done that, I'm just going to extrude out the sides of the vehicle by going symmetric and a distance of 45 millimeters, which is the material size that I use in my classes. And you can see now we've got a blank CO2 dragster billet. That's the first stage. I would be saving this file by going File, iPro technically, rather than the File button, Save As, and I'd be saving this within, making sure it's in my network drive, which is a drive that looks like this, with the server icon and a network location section underneath it, with my first name dot last name. So you go into that network location using the drop down. That's your personal server file area, and then I'm going to name it CO2 blank. And if I wanted to create multiple designs, I could just keep opening this up and saving it again as a new design. And there you go, that's creating the blank for your CO2 designs.